Okay, let's finish up this system of equations. There's only 3 left to do. So it says, what is the y value of the solution? They want y, so we need to get rid of x. In this case, they have already set it up great and easy for us to get rid of x. We can just add these straight down. Negative 9 plus positive 12 is going to give me positive 3. Positive 1y plus negative 2y is going to give me negative 1y. And then my x's cancel out. Divide both sides by negative 1. And y equals negative 3. Okay. Next one, what is the solution to this system of equations? So on the other end, it's asking you either x or y to solve for one of them. But what if he gives you one like this? Don't panic. It's really actually even easier. You can just use your calculator. One of these we know is the solution. So if we plug these points into both of them, they have to work. That's the key though. So one of these, like this one, for example, I don't know, I haven't solved it yet, but 1, negative 1 may solve this one. But don't just stop there. Also plug the points into the second one and make sure that works as well. So this is, remember, your x. This is your y. So type it into your calculator. You would do 2 times 1, because that's my x, plus 5 times negative 1. I don't know how to do that on this calculator. So this would be 2 plus negative 5 would be negative 3. So that does not solve that one. So we can automatically eliminate that one and go to the next one. So let's look at the next one. Maybe this is what we need to use. Yeah. Okay. So let's try the next step. We would do 2 times 17. There we go. Plus 5 times 7. Okay, that gets me 1. So that can't be right. Okay, let's try the next one. 2 times negative 70 plus 5 times 29 gets me 5. Surprisingly, that was going to happen. Okay, so it works for this one. Great. I'm not automatically going to choose that as the answer. Let me check the next one. Okay, next one is 5 times negative 70 plus 12 times 29. Negative 2. Perfect. Okay. So the answer is H. So that's simple. So it's actually even easier. Now you can go ahead and solve one of these for X and then plug it in and find your Y, but we know one of these is the answer. So plug them in and see which one works. Just like they might give you one that works for the first equation, but doesn't work for the second equation. Therefore, it can't be the solution. It has to, for it to be the solution, it has to work in both of them. Okay, last one. What is the y value? We're trying to find the y, then that means we need to get rid of our x's. We have a positive 1x and a positive 2x. I think the easiest solution for me would be to multiply this first equation by negative 2. That way I have a negative 2 and a positive 2, and then they'll just cancel out. We're going to distribute this to each piece, so it's going to be negative 2y equals negative 2x minus 8. Okay, and then I'm going to write that other one right underneath of it. Y equals 2x those cancel out. Perfect. -2 plus +1 is going to give me -1. I divide both sides by -1 and I get y equals 9. Okay, so your biggest takeaway from systems of equations need to be, if they give you a graph, the solution is where the points cross. If they ask you for y, get rid of x. If they ask you for x, then get rid of y. Make sure when you're manipulating equations, you are going to multiply by everything inside the parentheses. So this -3 didn't just go to the y, it went to everything. And remember, things that are per week are always your x, and if they're asking for them to be the same, you can just set them equal. And you could apply things in at this point to see which one gives you the same answer, since we want them to be equal. Okay, this one we have to multiply them both by something. And you really can't go wrong here as long as you multiply them correctly and they're the same number and opposites. Okay, this one is another like that other one. You could just plug things in, or you could solve to see which one equals the same thing. And if you get one where they're giving you the whole answer, the whole pair, not just x or y, you can plug them in, but make sure you plug them into both equations before you decide on